right, beautiful people around the world, just to make sure you have an okay life. And hey, hope everyone is blessed, well, healthy, and that nothing but the best is going on in all you beautiful people's life. Now yes, as you can see, a beginner rider myself on a beautiful Zx6r. However y'all want to say it, Zx6r, 636, I mean cheater bike, you whatever you want to say. But a beginner rider on a 600. Yeah. And I want y'all to know that I, after putting 200 miles on my Ninja 400, decided to get a 636. Yeah. And it puts a smile on my face. So I'm making this video to give anybody hope that bought a Ninja 400 or an R3 or any smaller bike and they want a super sport, they want a 600. You want a 600, I mean, it's possible. I mean, most definitely, it's more than possible. Just go get it. Once you master that R3 or that 400 or that 250, whatever you mastered, and you've been saying to yourself, I want a 600, no matter if it's the R6, the Zx6r, you know, it's a lot of amazing bikes out there in the 600 class. You know, the R6 is discontinued. That's the one I was looking at, an R6, you know, but I was also looking at this 2024. You know, this all black or the white and red one was my dream bike, and I told myself I was gonna get a 636. Depending on how I felt with the Ninja 400. If the Ninja 400 was enough, way more than enough power for the street, but you know, riding it around, I've kind of felt like I wanted a little more, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to keep the Ninja 400. I made a video about that yesterday on my first ride home. The Ninja 400 is still in the garage. I'm gonna still take care of it, and I'm gonna put a cage on it and let people learn on it. Somebody told me to charge people, but I don't think I'll charge. But I'm gonna let people learn on it. You know, put a cage on it, let family members learn on it. They want to learn. If not, you know, if you're scared, it is what it is. You know, for some people, riding a bike is just intimidating. You know, all these cars out here on this highway, and I'm on two wheels. You know, it can get very intimidating. But once you get the hang of it, it's the best feeling of a life. In my lifetime, this has been the best feeling ever. The freedom, the wind, the sound of an engine, and my electric bike. You know, that electric torque and power on the electric live wire Harley. You know, my first bike was electric, and then I went and bought my second bike, the electric Harley. But I'm glad I bought the electric bikes. They taught me, you know, what it feel like to be on a motorcycle. Just in general, you know, how to counter steer, you know, lean, how to actually ride a bike, you know. So I tell you guys, if you wanted that 600, even I wouldn't recommend 1000cc again, but it's not impossible. It's not, I wouldn't just say no, don't go get the 1000cc. As long as you have throttle control, respect the power of the bike. Like this bike, I respect it, you know. Now I can tell you that some of the mistakes I have made, you know, they're mistakes, and you know, I corrected them. But on that 400, it's very, and I know you guys hear everybody say that, it's very forgiving, you know, and the bike is way lighter than this. But this bike is actually not that bad either. I mean, it's kind of nimble, and you know, it has a little more weight than the 400. You can feel it because hey, it's an inline 4. But man, and I would tell y'all that the wind and everything that was like really hitting me hard on the 400. It's not like that on the 600. You can a little bit feel it in some cases if it's like earlier it was really hitting me, but I wasn't getting blown around like I was on my 400. But now that as I ride this bike, I appreciate my 400, and I'm gonna still ride the crap out of it, and also let other people ride it and teach people, take care of it, put a cage on it. Again, I had an option of trading it, or keeping it. So paid it off, and I was going to trade it. They were going to give me $4,000 flat for it, and mind you, the bike is brand new. So the bike, I bought it for $52. So you automatically lose money, of course, if you know how that thing works. But I thought I was gonna be riding the 400 and not looking to upgrade for the next year or two. But 1 month later, couple weeks, I would say 4 to 5 weeks, or we'll just give it 6 weeks, so a month and a half, I'm on a 636, enjoying myself. The best feeling ever. And this bike is so beautiful. The all black 2024 with the new front end. This bike is, it's like I feel like Batman, you know, when Batman rides that bike in the movie. And it has a quick shifter, so look, I don't have to use the clutch. All right, there'll be cops up through here. I've been doing good. But yeah, that quick shifter was a selling point for me. And again, you can always, you know, you can do the quick shift, you know, by blipping the throttle and kicking up. But they say that causes, you know, harm to your bike. Let's work! Ah! Let's work. Tundra, that Tundra really tried to race me. Oh my God. Don't do that, sir. And hey, y'all, I just seen the straightaway. I seen the straightaway. I mind, that's one thing. I be still making rookie mistakes. Accidentally kicking that bad boy in neutral. Like if you slightly tap it to that neutral zone, it goes right into neutral. That quick shifter feels so good. I had to give y'all a good pull, and plus the Tundra was trying to race me. But again, just ride to your limits. Ride to your limits. You know your limits. I'll tell you that. You know your limits. Ride to your limits. Take it slow if you have to. Get a feel for the bike. You know, earlier today I was making just decisions. Like, I feel like as a motorcycle rider, we have to make decisions. You know, we have to be more defensive. You know, we have to really understand, you know, that we're on two wheels, and you do have more freedom than people. You know, lane filtering, lane splitting, and there's some cases where you have to take advantage of it. Like today, you know, even though I'm in Texas, you guys, we're not supposed to do it. But I've had officers tell me, and they ride too, you know, if you have to do it, you know. And in most cases, you know, it's safe for you, you know, especially lane filtering. You know, I'm at the stoplight, man, and it's a lot going on, and I got stuff to do, you know. But yeah, so if you're wanting that 600 or 1000 cc and you've been riding for quite a while, or a lower cc bike, go for it. You're literally gonna enjoy it. You can be a beginner on a 600 too as well. This throttle control, you see that throttle right there? She gets up fast, I'm telling it. And then the quick shifter, I feel like this is why a lot of people love the 636 so much. That quick shifter is just so beautiful. Like I say, I'm probably going to get a leader bike maybe in the next year or a couple months. We'll see. I'm looking at the R1 in the future. You guys, again, I don't really care for a leader bike, and I feel like a 400 is enough for the street. But it wouldn't be insane for me to have a 1000 sitting in, you know, the garage. And I'm thinking, you know, the R1 or the Zx6r 1000, or maybe you know, the 10XR, the 10X Zx10r. Yeah, hopefully I said it right. But yeah, I'm thinking about all those bikes. But again, I'm kind of sold on. I like the price of the Zx6r 1000, even without the R, you know. And I believe 17 and ups, they still come with the quick shifter. But again, we will see how it plays out, you know. We will see how it plays out. But again, I would tell you guys, go get that Zx6r. Go get it. Go get this 636, baby, or go get that 600 class. Oh, she's popping. But yeah, I'm just taking the back way through my house, just talking to you guys, giving you some content. She sounds so nice. Oh man, again, just respect it, man. You gotta respect it. Know your limits, and go make sure you take that course. But I tell anybody, once you take that course and you really enjoy the course and taking all the information and get a feel for the bike, and you actually execute, again, you're gonna go outside the box, and you're gonna be crappy at making U-turns. And you know, I went all outside the box and everything. But you're gonna learn stuff in that course that is very helpful and will make you a better rider. Even riders that have taken the course, you know, that have been riding for years, say it's the best course ever. You know, you will learn something, you know. But why am I going through the yellow? Wow, I'm so crazy. But yeah, just giving y'all some content, man. Talking to you, trying to motivate you to go get that 600. Again, this is the last one right now in the area. Everybody has bought all the ones. I was literally searching around. I went to 5, we'll say 6 dealerships. And mind you, there's really only 2 to 3 good dealerships in the area in Texas, down here in Houston. And I was looking at going I was gonna call the people at Bike Direct in Dallas to get me a 636 in either a black or that white and red color. But yeah, it worked out. And they literally said, you have till 12. We have 8 people calling, and you know, if not, we don't hear back from you, we're gonna sell it to the next person. You're the first one on the list. I said, I'm on the way right now. And what I like about what they did at Motoplex, at Wild West Motoplex in Katy, Texas. What they did is they sent me everything, PDF file, all the you know, the out the door price. No crazy markups, no crazy, you know, stuff added, warranty. Like, they just basically said, this is what you're gonna get, and then if you want to add anything, we'll give you the option, but this is the price. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I say. But you know, just understand, you know, you have many options out there. Don't just go with the first one. Take your time, stay patient, and do your research. You know what I'm saying? But go get that 600, go get that 1000 if you want. To all my beginner riders out there, again, my back is kind of killing me. I've ridden 2 hours on this thing today, back and forth an hour, and back and forth here an hour. But I made $900 though, riding to get my refund on my Ninja 400, one of the things that I paid for, and I got a full refund of almost $950, so almost $1,000 today. So I'm pretty satisfied with today. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all are taking it well and swell. This video kind of motivated you, or you know, hopefully my voice just helped you out. In the bike, the looks of the bike helped you out. I'll get out and show y'all the bike real quick, because my neighborhood's not that busy. And hopefully, if you find you a 636, you know, yeah, if you find you a 636 or something like this, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. But yeah, she is beautiful. I literally can't stop. I don't even want to end the video because she is so beautiful. So